We're seeing a trend with premature battery failure on these models, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to fix. So this video will cover a full step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery size and how to avoid potential failure. Before working on anything else, loosen the negative terminal first, and in some cases with a bit of motivation. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. And this nut will loosen the positive clamp, in case you didn't know. Then there's a bracket down here at the base that attaches the car to the battery. Not rocket science, I know, but things will get interesting a bit later. Now the handle didn't survive, so we're going old school with a two-handed lift. And now what you can't see me doing is cleaning the terminals, but I'll make up for it on the positive. You can use some fine sandpaper or a proper tool like this. This is a plumbing tool, usually to clean copper pipes, but it now has an upgraded resume. Now notice this channel here. You'll have to get a battery with one of these base mounted ledges to slide in there and to secure the battery with a bracket. This battery size is available without it, so let me save you that headache. I'll share the details a bit later. What I'd also like to share is a common failure on these installations, which you'll see shortly. When connecting the terminals, start with a positive first. And the idea is to get the terminal as low as possible on the battery post, otherwise you'll end up with this potential failure. That slight movement of the terminal on the post causes havoc, improper charging, inconsistent starts, which means premature battery failure. So here's what to do. Remove the terminal completely and cut a piece of copper wire about 20 millimeters in length. Then insert it between the terminal and the post. This will act as a shim, essentially making the post bigger. It won't damage the lead post, and copper is an excellent conductor. Now extend the clamp with a screwdriver while pushing the terminal down. Then do the same for the negative terminal if you need to. You might have noticed the battery is barely bigger than a AAA, and the terminals are also smaller than conventional, so getting it right is quite important. I've included links in the description for compatible batteries that will fit here. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. On startup, you shouldn't have any warning lights apart from the usual, and a radio code isn't necessary. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.